Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Pooja Dixit Joshi, Regional Leader, Ear to Ear Team Gujarat. So, I welcome you all to another series of the podcast of Ear to Ear on this wonderful day. I welcome our new guest for today's evening, Miss Mandeep. Mandeep, ma'am, kindly introduce yourself.
Hi, Dr. Pooja. Hi, everyone. My name is Mandeep Kaur. I am member of Ear to Hear Delhi team. It has been 1 year since I've joined Ear to Hear. By profession, I'm a spiritual coach wherein I guide people about the theory and various spiritual practices and tools, to overcome the barriers or disturbances that they are facing in life. So, in simple words, I would say from a helpless zone, we try to bring, or we act as a medium to bring them to a happy zone. See, whatever issues people are facing in life now, it is all because of unsupported mind. Their mind has not been in their favor. So they created such issues unknowingly. But with the right guidance, right learnings and information, they are able to now knowingly create good things in life for themselves. So it's all about, knowingness. So when Ear to Hear came into my life, since it's also dealing about this knowingness, I could immediately resonate to it and got associated with it.
So, beautiful journey, what you explained here, that how you resonate your professional life with the this
Yeah.
ear to ear, and we all are glad to be a part of this community. So, Mandeep ma'am, what is the vision of ear to ear?
Yes, Dr. Pooja. Ear to Hear is a wonderful platform. It's a beautiful platform which works for women empowerment. Earlier, one woman was always against another woman. We all must have experienced this in our lives. But now, here, one woman is by the side of another woman. She's at the back of another woman. She inspires her. She encourages her. She supports her. She uplifts her crown. So, it's a revolution, I would say, because it's the need of today's time. And, here one woman is surrounded by women power, Nari Shakti. और कहते हैं ना कि when you
Yes.
have supportive, encouraging, lovable, friendly women in your life, your mental health is already intact. So life becomes
Yeah.
magically beautiful then. And
Yes.
ma'am, what I believe is that life is all about intangibles. The things which we cannot see now, they are running our lives. All the emotions
Yes.
and thoughts, love, happiness, soul, these are running our lives. So Ear to Hear is also talking about these intangibles and spreading awareness massively to a larger audience. So that's the beauty of Ear to Hear, that it gives full safety, to the people to talk freely whatever they wish to. I mean, we can talk freely without being judged at all. This is I love
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah. That's the beauty of ear to ear.
True.
Ma'am, how a person who wants to be a member or who wants to be a member of the community, what are the ways to become a member of the community?
Okay, there are a lot of ways a person can get connected to Ear to Hear. Like we have social media handles, we have Instagram page, we have Facebook page. People can send mails, they can DM directly. The team will quickly contact to them very quickly, and or they can connect the core team, right? So I also got connected to a core team and then got associated to it. Yeah.
So, ma'am, how excited you are to represent your team on 26 July?
Oh, super excited. It's a big milestone Ear to Hear has achieved. Completed 5 years. So this itself is a big victory. And a lot of people, we are the host. Delhi is the host, right?
Yeah.
So, and you guys will be traveling from so far, traveling a long distance, either from, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and so many other states across India. And, we wholeheartedly welcome you to Delhi. And we look forward to exchanging good energies, conversations, fun times, and just awesome moments. So, and one more point, Miss Tanaz Irani is a chief guest, so that is creating, all the more enthusiasm in everyone. So very excited to meet you all and eagerly waiting.
And we are also excited to meet the entire team of Year to Year
Yeah.
across India who will be coming on 26 July. And this is how Richa has created a beautiful community where, as you mentioned, that the women are supporting each other. That is the true Nari Shakti. So thank you,
Yes.
Mandeep ma'am, for being with us on this beautiful podcast series. We'll meet again. Thank you once again for
Thank you.
accepting our
Thank you so
invite. We'll
much.
meet again with our next series of Year to Year podcast. Good night.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pooja. It was lovely,
Thank you.
in being in connection with you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.